Okay, can you do it? Oh, here they come. Oh, beautiful. Okay, which one you pick one more?
Yeah.
Which one? Those are the bunnies. These ones have bunnies on them.
This one.
That one looks a little old.
And this one?
Purple we could do. Okay, go ahead. Shake it. Oh, that is stunning. Did you guys see that?
Oh,
For tomorrow?
Oh, that was yummy. You made that by yourself?
Okay, I'm going to save it for you, okay? Say night, Bunny. I'll see you tomorrow.
Bunny, we see you tomorrow, Bunny.
Okay?
Yes.
And nobody will touch it.
What is that?
It's like
You're
a
not only
frosting.
going to see her, you're going to eat her.
It's a chocolate.
It's not chocolate, honey. It's like a little frosting. What do you want to name your little cake?
J-A-Y-J.
Jay? You want to name it Jay the Bunny?
Yeah, J the money.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
a nice name.
J-A-Y.
Letters.
All the letters?
Yeah,
Okay. What does it spell?
I don't know.
You don't know. You want to do stop, look, listen for Daddy? Show me.
Stop, looking, listen.
That's good. Listen.
Just sign language. Stop. Look.
What else do you know in sign language?
Stop. Look. Listen. Show Daddy the caterpillar.
That's good. Listen.
What about the caterpillar? There we go.
Oh, good job. Wow.
And can you show Yaya the butterfly Mommy taught you? Remember? Do the butterfly. There's the caterpillar. Here's the spider.
No. Like this.
Yep. And flap your wings. There you go. Flap
There you go. Good job.
Very
Flap
good,
your wings.
Jason.
Sorry, yeah.
Very good.
Make it
Oh, yes.
There we go. Flap your wings.
Oh, look at him flapping.
Yeah.
Wow, look at those little
Can you show Yaya how you do horse?
I don't
And sign language.
know. That's butterfly.
Yeah.
That's butterfly. Do horse or cow. You know cow.
That's butterfly.
How do you do the horse?
Show her.
I
She
don't
doesn't
how
know
to-
any. She doesn't take that sign language class. Can you show her a horse? No?
No, I don't know.
You're too tired.
No,
No.
I said I'm
Why don't we sing to the bunny? Here comes Peter Cottontail.
Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hoppity hoppity, Easter's gone his way.
Good job.
Good, honey.